Hello, my name is Stephanie. I am your patio door expert from Window City. I hope you find this patio door video helpful. If you'd like to stay up to date on future videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon below.
Our Ultra Patio sliding doors come with a 5 3/4 inch frame and fusion welded sashes for superior strength, an airtight seal, and a perfectly square door every time. Our doors are made with a multi-chamber design, which significantly increases overall strength and energy efficiency. The multi-chambered welded sash in all vertical styles are also steel reinforced to strengthen key areas of the doors, such as our standard twin-point hardware. Our standard patio door has one fixed panel, and the other panel slides smoothly on an anodized aluminum track with self-lubricated adjustable metal rollers for ease of operation. They come with an anti-lift-out security block. Our patio doors are also available with an exclusive insulated kick panel on the bottom of the door, which adds beauty and elegance to any room. The sill is sloped for optimal water drainage, and there is a series of weep holes that help drain any water to the outside. Our door is designed with double weather stripping and a co-extruded bulb seal on their frame for air and water tightness. The standard twin-point hardware will add beauty and security, along with exceptional durability on all finish options. An optional exterior keyed lock, kick lock, or security bar are available. The Ultra Patio sliding door comes standard with a heavy-duty extruded aluminum screen with fiberglass mesh and adjustable wheels. Our doors come standard with double-strength tempered low-E 180 emissivity glass, filled with argon gas in the airspace. Included is an S-Class all-foam super spacer, which is a true dual-seal warm edge spacer system to reduce condensation and to provide the highest Energy Star performance. These doors are available with tri-pane or triple-pane glass and even krypton gas or a mix of argon and krypton inside the sealed unit to provide even greater insulation values. Our exclusive sliding patio doors are available with multi-glass options such as various internal and external grills, internal mini blinds, or create an elegant look with V-groove or beveled glass. They are also available with our exclusive exterior capstock color options such as sandalwood, sandstone, dark bronze, and more. Our doors are standard in 5, 6, and 8-foot 2-panel models, as well as 10, 12, and 16-foot 4-panel units, and custom sizes are also available. Window City offers custom transoms and sidelight units to satisfy any design requirement. Our Ultra Patio sliding doors are Energy Star and CSA approved and come with a non-prorated lifetime warranty. Please visit our website at www.windowcity.com for the latest available options. You will find that you can choose from various premium door hardware finishes as well as several paint color options. The sliding doors can also be ordered with all the interior and exterior trim accessories that perfectly match our window products. If you're building your dream home or renovating your existing home, come to Window City, Canada's most trusted manufacturer of windows and doors.